Navigation satellite NVC-2 was launched by GSLV rocket from the Space Center in Sriharikota. This is ISRO's 100th mission, completed in 46 years. The NVS-02 satellite, which is important for India's space-based navigation system, launched on January 29, suffered a setback at that time. Its launch failed when the spacecraft's thrusters failed. The lift operation could not be carried out to place the satellite in the prescribed orbit. ISRO developed the first generation of launch vehicles in 1979 under the guidance of Professor Satish Dhawan and former President APJ Abdul Kalam as project director.